To pet a turtle, first place it on a low, flat surface so it feels safe. Then, approach it from the front so you don't scare it. You can gently pet your turtle on the top of its head, on its cheeks, and under its chin using your finger. Turtles can actually feel through their shells, so you can also pet it by stroking its shell with your fingers. It might be more energetic and receptive when it's warm, so try petting it after it's done sunning itself. It may take some time for your turtle to warm up to you and like being pet, so be patient and gentle when handling it. Remember to wash your hands after handling your turtle, and avoid petting aggressive turtles, like snapping and soft-shell turtles, since they can bite and cause serious injury.